everyone, shall we find the value of x together? Welcome to my channel. Now I would like you to sit put and enjoy the ride. Okay, all right. Now I want to transfer this to this side of the equation. Let me have one to tackle and use it to get my x. Okay, so that means I'm going to have root minus x is equal to 4 minus root x. Okay, now let's square both sides of the equation so that I'll have minus x remaining. Okay, so if we square both sides of this equation, this is equal to 4 minus root x squared. Okay, now this we cancel this, so we have minus x is equal to, so when you have a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so it's an algebra identity, so let's go ahead and solve. So it's going to be a squared, that is 4 squared, minus 2ab, 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by root x, because our a is 4 and our b is root x, right? Then plus b squared, that is root x squared. Okay, now minus x is equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8 root x plus this, we cancel this and we have what? X remaining. All right, now let me transfer this minus 8x to this side. So I will have minus x plus 8 root x is equal to 16 plus x. All right, I want to make this the subject of the formula. You are going to see why later. Now this plus 8 root x will now remain here, and I want to transfer this to this side. Okay, so if I do that, I will have 8 root x is equal to 16 plus x plus x. So minus x will cross to become plus x. Permit me to clean this. All right, so now we have 8 root x is equal to 16 plus what? 2x. Now let's square both sides of this equation again. Okay, so if we square, because we still have roots here and we cannot do anything yet until we remove that root sign. Okay, so we are going to have 8 squared multiplied by root x squared, that is for this side, is equal to, we have 16 squared plus, that is a squared plus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 2x plus b squared, that is 2x squared, 2x squared. So we have 8 squared is 64. This we cancel this, we have x is equal to 16 squared is 256. Yeah, I think so. It should be 256 plus 2 times 16 is 32, and 32 times 2 is 64x. Plus 2 squared is 4, x squared is x squared. Okay, all right, so we have 64x, excuse me, yeah, so we have 64x. Now plus 64 we cross to become minus 64x is equal to 256 plus 4x squared. Now this minus this is 0. Yes, that one is gone, so our equation is becoming smaller and easier to solve. So this is exactly what we have right now. Okay, now I'm going to transfer this to this side of the equation. Okay, if I do that, I will have minus 256 is equal to 4x squared, or let me write this first. 4x squared is equal to minus 256. All right, okay, now please, if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Yes, so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos at least twice daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch our videos. All right, then give us a thumbs up please if you are actually enjoying this video. Thank you so much. So when you look at this now, we can express this as what? This can be 4 can be expressed as 2 squared. Then we have x squared is equal to minus 256. All right, so we can bring these two together because a squared, or a raised to the power of x, let me express it. A raised to the power of x multiplied by b raised to the power of x is equal to a multiplied by b raised to the power of x. Okay, so that is exactly what I want to do here. So I'm going to bring these two together and I'm going to square. Is equal to minus 256. Yes, now at this point we can take square root of both sides of the equation. So if we do that, we have square root of 2x squared is equal to square root of minus 256. All right, so this we cancel this, we have 2x is equal to plus or minus this same thing as square root of 256 multiplied by square root of minus 1. So we have 2x is equal to plus or minus 16 multiplied by I. Okay, because square root of minus 1 is I. All right, so we divide by 2, divide by 2, and we have that x is equal to plus or minus 8i. Now it's time for us to prove that the answer is actually right. Okay, so don't miss the most interesting aspect of this video, which is what I'm about to do now. Now let us prove that our answer is 8i. Then after, we are going to prove that the answer is minus 8i. So if our x excuse me, if our x is equal to 8i, so we have square root of 8i plus square root of minus 8i, okay, is equal to 4. Now let's square both sides of this equation. So it's going to be this side squared and this squared. This is same thing as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now our a is what? Our a is this, our b is this. So it's going to be a squared, that is root 8i squared, plus 2ab, 2 multiplied by root 8i, multiplied by b, which is square root of minus 8i. All right, then plus b squared plus our b is what? Square root of minus 8i. All right, squared. Okay, this is equal to 16 because 4 squared is 16. Now this we cancel this, so we have 8i plus, so here we have 2 multiplied by square root of 8i multiplied by square root of minus 8i. All right, plus, now this we cancel this, we have minus 8i remaining, minus 8i is equal to 16. Now 8i minus 8i is 0. So what we now have here is 2 root 8i multiplied by root 8i is equal to 16. Now square root of 8i multiplied by square root of root 8i, we can bring them together under the root sign. Yes, using our sword, this rule of sword, the rule of sword or the rule of radicals, that states that square root of a multiplied by square root of b is equal to square root of ab. All right, so that is exactly the rule that we are going to apply. Now if we apply such rule, we are going to write 2, then we have them under the same root sign. 8i multiplied by, 8i multiplied by 8i minus 8i, sorry, is equal to 16. So we have 2 square root, 8 times minus 8 will give us minus 64. I times I will give us I squared is equal to 16. All right, okay, now we have 2 root minus 64. Now I squared is minus 1, okay, is equal to 16. So we have 2 root minus minus is plus, so we have 64 remaining is equal to 16. So 2 multiplied by square root of 64 is 8 is equal to 16. So we can see that 16 is equal to 16. Now I would like you to prove the remaining one, that is minus 8i. Prove that minus 8i is also the solution, because I don't want this video to be too long. All right, thank you so much for watching and bye.